Viewers, the world's population is growing at an alarming pace. Every single day, millions of new people are added to this planet. The big question is, can our Earth really handle this burden? And what will the future look like if population growth remains unchecked? Let's find out. According to United Nations reports, the global population has already crossed 8 billion, and within the next few decades, it may exceed 10 billion. The fastest growth is happening in Asia and Africa regions, where resources are already scarce. Now let's talk about the problems caused by overpopulation. We have already started facing some of them. There is a shortage of food, water, crises, and environmental pollution. There is pressure on education and healthcare systems, increasing unemployment and poverty. These issues are not limited to poor countries. They are becoming a threat for the entire world. For example, overpopulation puts a strain on the availability of food, water, and energy resources. As the demand for these resources increases, so does their price. This can lead to food and water insecurity, as well as energy shortages, which can further exacerbate poverty and inequality. Additionally, overpopulation contributes to environmental degradation, such as air and water pollution, deforestation, and climate change. This can have serious implications for human health, as well as the health of the planet as a whole. In terms of the pressure on education and healthcare systems, overpopulation can lead to a shortage of schools, hospitals, and other public services. This can result in lower quality education and healthcare, as well as increased wait times for services. Overpopulation can also contribute to social problems such as crime, poverty, and unemployment. When there are limited job opportunities and resources, competition for jobs and services can increase, leading to social unrest and instability. However, there is hope. Many countries are taking measures to control population growth. Some are focusing on public awareness campaigns to educate people about the importance of family planning. Others are investing in education, particularly for girls. When women are educated, they are more likely to delay marriage and childbearing, which can lead to smaller families. Some countries are also working to improve access to healthcare, including reproductive health services. By providing people with the information and tools they need to plan their families, we can help them make informed decisions about when and how many children to have. Several countries have implemented successful programs to reduce population growth. For example, China's one-child policy has been credited with reducing the country's population by hundreds of millions. However, this policy has also been controversial due to its impact on human rights. India, on the other hand, has taken a more nuanced approach. Through its family planning program, the government has been able to reduce the population growth rate from 2.2% in the 1950s to 1.2% in 2020. Looking ahead, we must continue to invest in education, healthcare, and economic opportunities for all people. By doing so, we can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their reproductive health and contribute to a more sustainable future. You may wonder, what will happen if we don't control the population? If we fail to act today, the future will face severe shortages of essential resources. Countries will compete for limited supplies of food, water, and energy, leading to conflicts and instability. The strain on infrastructure, education, and healthcare systems will be immense, resulting in poor quality services and widespread disease. As the planet's resources are stretched to their limits, the environment will continue to deteriorate, leading to more extreme weather events and mass extinctions. Without intervention, overpopulation will undermine our progress and jeopardize the well-being of current and future generations. On the other hand, if we do control the population, the future can look bright. A larger population, if properly managed, can be an asset rather than a liability. More people mean a larger and more diverse talent pool from which to draw upon. A larger population also means a bigger consumer market, which can stimulate innovation and economic growth. Additionally, an aging population can provide valuable experience and knowledge to drive economic and social development. With proper planning and investment in education and healthcare, a larger population can help drive innovation, economic growth, and social progress. And that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Remember, knowledge is power, and with great knowledge comes great responsibility. So use your knowledge wisely and be responsible citizens of the world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.